You got me.
What's up, YouTube? It's your girl Kiana Lene, and I am back with another video today. This video is gonna be how to do this look right here. This look, I didn't have no lashes for this look, so it kind of looks not incomplete. It looks good, but like if you have lashes, you know, it takes it to the next level. But your girl ran out of lash glue, so I couldn't put on my lashes. So yeah, so I created this look because I saw an Instagram photo. I'm gonna show you right here. In the Instagram photo it was red, but I was like, I'm gonna do pink instead, so I decided to do pink. And yeah, and this hairstyle was from Pinterest. I saw a girl on Pinterest. I don't know who she was. She was very pretty. I was like, oh my god, this hairstyle is so cute. I guess you could say this is like 2000s inspired. So make sure you like, comment, share, and subscribe. Stay tuned for the video of creating this look. If you create this look, comment down below. If you create this look and you created it because you watched my video, make sure you tag me on Instagram. My Instagram and all that will be down below. Make sure you go follow me. And yeah, let's get into this video. Thank y'all so much for watching this video. Make sure you like, comment, share, subscribe. Tell your friends to tell a friend. If you want more makeup videos, comment down below. And I'll see y'all in the next video.
Make these up bitches seem basic. Living where they go to vacation. You a goddess, you gracious. Look like a supermodel, but you modest. Look what God has created.